Oh, hey, it's time for another Duck Web tutorial. And this time we're going to be showing you how to change your grading option for some courses here at the U of O. And as a college student, I definitely know there have been times where I wanted to change how my class was graded. And the great thing about Duck Web is that it does give you the option to choose whether or not you want a class graded traditionally or if you want it graded just for credit.
And by taking a class just for credits, your GPA isn't affected negatively or positively based off of your performance in said course. The only thing that we do suggest, though, is that you speak to an academic advisor before changing the grading option to any of your courses, because there is a certain number of graded credits that you must take in order to complete your degree. But this whole process is called pass or no passing a class, and by doing so, you're still responsible for staying up to date with the course material and coursework, except that it won't be graded on a traditional scale. The only thing to keep in mind is that you must pass these classes with a passing grade, and for all undergraduate courses, that passing grade is going to be a C- or better, and for all graduate courses, that passing grade is going to be a B- or higher.
And if you do choose to change your grading option, you must do so by week 7. And it's also important to note that you can only change your grading option for 12 credits at the U of O, which comes out to about 3 or so classes. So you are able to do this option for every single one of your courses here on campus. However, if you do finish the class with a high enough grade, you will receive that number of credits the course is worth. And you'll know that you received the pass by seeing a P on your transcript. And if you didn't meet those requirements or you didn't get that B- or C-, then you will see a mark of an N on your transcript. So if you do want to pass no pass a class and change your grading option, log on to DuckWeb and then click on Student Menu at the top. And following this, you'll click on Registration Menu. Then from here, you can go to Change Variable Credit Grading option.
And once you're on this page, you can see a full comprehensive list of all of the courses that you have been registered for. So if you scroll down, you can see all of these different courses. But one thing to note is that you aren't able to pass or no pass classes that are for your major or for your minor. So just keep that in mind when doing this. But let's say we can go to our writing class. This isn't a major or minor course. And we can go to this grade mode, and it has a drop-down list where you can choose whether or not you want to take it graded or you can pass or no pass it. So what you want to do is click pass or no pass. And once you scroll to the bottom, you'll see this little button that says Submit Changes. So by clicking this, it submits and saves all the changes that you make based off of the grading option that you choose. So we can double check this by going all the way down back to our writing, and we can see that our grade mode has changed from graded to pass or no pass. And by doing so, you have successfully changed the grading option for one of your classes.